Hello everyone. Today we'll be presenting about the Internet of Things in the pharmaceutical industry. As future professional in this field, it's important for us to understand how the Internet of Things is changing the way pharmacies work, from improving medication safety to making supply chains smarter. Before we start the presentation, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Catherine Monica Simamora.
Hello, I'm Hanifa Widyastuti.
Hello, I'm Sakwila Nova Salsabila.
Let me start by introducing the Internet of Things. The Internet of Things refers to the network of physical devices, such as sensor, machines, or even everyday objects that are connected to the Internet. These devices can collect data from their surrounding, send it to other systems, and even respond automatically based on that data. In the context of healthcare and pharmacy, IoT plays a transformative role. It allows for smarter ways to manage medication, monitor patients remotely, and track pharmaceutical products across the entire supply chain. For example, pharmacies can use IoT system to monitor drug inventory levels in real time or to track the temperature of vaccines during transportation. Now, a little bit of history. IoT started to gain serious attention in healthcare in the early 2010, especially as sensor technology and wireless communication became more advanced and affordable.
Okay, next I will presenting about application and case studies. Let's look at our first case study, which addresses a common issue in healthcare, medication adherence. Many patients, especially the elderly and those with chronic illnesses, often forget to take their medicine on time or accidentally take the wrong dose. This can lead to serious complications, poor treatment outcomes, and even repeated hospital visits. To solve this problem, IoT technology offers a smart solution, the Smart Pill Dispenser. This is a connected device that helps patients take their medication correctly. It works by sending reminder to the patient at the exact time they need to take their medication, automatically locking and dispensing only the correct dose, and alerting caregivers or family members if the patient missed a dose. As a result, this technology has shown great impact. Medication adherence can improve by up to 85%, which means fewer hospital readmission, better disease control, and improved quality of life for patients. This case proves how IoT can make a real difference in personal health management, especially for vulnerable groups. Okay, next slide. Okay, now let's move on to our second case study, how IoT is used to manage vaccine storage condition. The problem is that vaccines are highly sensitive to temperature change. If they are stored too hot or too cold, for even for a short time, they can lose their effectiveness. This is especially difficult to manage in rural or remote areas where consistent refrigeration and monitoring systems are often lacking. The IoT solution comes in the form of real-time temperature sensor. The sensors are installed in vaccine storage units or transport containers and monitor the temperature continuously, automatically send alerts to healthcare workers if the temperature goes out of the safe range, and allow quick response before any damage occurs. The outcome is significant. The system has helped reduce vaccine spoilage by 30 to 40%. It also improved the reliability of vaccine delivery and ensured that patients receive safe and effective vaccine. This case clearly show how IoT can protect not only product but also public health, especially in areas where healthcare resources are limited.
Let's begin with the benefit of using IoT in pharmacy and healthcare. First, IoT improves patient safety by ensuring that medications are stored, handled, and administered correctly. Second, it reduces human error through automatic. For example, by using smart dispensers or automated inventory system. It also increases operational efficiency by saving time and reducing manual tasks for healthcare works. And finally, IoT allows for real-time monitoring, which means healthcare providers can respond quickly to emergency or anomalies, whether it's a missed dose or a vaccine storage issues. Despite the many advantages, IoT also has several limitations. One major challenge is the high cost of implementation. IoT systems often require expensive devices, sensors, software, and infrastructure. Another issue is the depend on stable internet connection, especially in rural or remote areas. And finally, technical maintenance is essential. These devices need regular updates, troubleshooting, and sometimes replacement, which require trained personnel and additional costs. We also need to consider the ethical and legal aspect of using IoT in healthcare. The most critical concern is data privacy and security. IoT device collect sensitive patient information that must be protected from breaches or misuse. Therefore, IoT system must comply with data protection laws, such as HIPAA in the United States of GDPR in Europe. This regulation ensures the patient data is handled with confidentiality, integrity, and transparency. In short, while IoT brings major improvement to pharmacy and healthcare, it must be implemented carefully, with attention to cost, infrastructure, and especially ethical responsibility. Next slide. To conclude, IoT in pharmacy plays a crucial role in enhancing safety, efficiency, and accuracy in the management and storage of medicine. By integrating IoT technology, we can significantly reduce human errors, improve the tracking and handling of pharmaceutical products, and optimize process across the supply chain. This improvement ultimately lead to better patient outcomes, greater reliability in healthcare, and lower operational costs. In summary, IoT has the potential to revolutionize the pharmacy field, making it smarter, safer, and more efficient.
So here are our reference lists in APA format. We use a combination of academic source and industry reports to support our research. The Internet of Things is not just a trend, it's a powerful tool that's transforming the pharmacy world, from smart inventory systems to real-time patient monitoring. IoT is helping us recreate safer and more efficient and more responsive healthcare service. As student and future firm professional, understanding and embracing these technologies will prepare us for the challenge and innovation ahead. So, don't waste the increasingly advanced technology. Thank you for your attention.